Meet Bongo IoT, a trailblazing company committed to revolutionizing fuel management systems. Their target? To eliminate fuel consumption challenges that have long plagued Bangladesh. Today, we invite you to witness history in the making as Bongo IoT introduces a groundbreaking first for Bangladesh, the fuel flow meter. Advantages of the fuel flow meters are the following: accurate fuel consumption reports, smart data processing, and tamper protection and alarms. With unwavering determination, Bongo IoT has developed this cutting-edge device and upgraded software to optimize fuel consumption across the nation. In the pursuit of innovation and excellence, Bongo IoT stands at the forefront, armed with a passionate team of engineers and experts. Together, they have shattered barriers to bring forth a cutting-edge solution that will redefine fuel management. With relentless dedication and unwavering commitment, they have triumphed against challenges, making the impossible possible. With great success, the fuel flow meter has been successfully installed in the generator, marking a significant milestone in our pursuit of energy efficiency and sustainability. With resounding success, the fuel flow meter has been seamlessly integrated into the excavator, signifying a momentous achievement in our mission to enhance energy efficiency and embrace sustainability. Join us on an inspiring journey as we witness the first ever installations of the fuel flow meter in our country, driving us towards a greener and more prosperous future.